Once more, hello, grade 7. Good morning. We will now have your grammar lesson for this week. You still have me. I am teacher Frances. Are you ready to begin? Good to know. Please bring out your literary companion and your pen. Do you have them now? All right. All right, students. Remember our lesson last time? Good. It's all about an adjective clause. Whenever we say an adjective clause, it means a dependent clause, meaning it cannot stand alone, that modifies a noun or pronoun or a noun phrase. And it could be essential or non-essential. Your clue is, it always begins with, very good, relative pronoun. Our lesson is about adverb clauses. Say, adverb clauses. Open your literary companion on pages 226 until 227. Are you ready? All right. Let us now state our objectives. First one, say, I can define what an adverb clause is, and I can identify an adverb clause in a sentence. Great. All right. When we say a clause, it is a group of words that contains both a noun and a verb. It could be of two. It could be independent clause or a dependent clause. When we say independent clause, it can stand alone like a complete sentence. There's a subject or a noun and there's a verb or an action. And for dependent clause, it cannot stand alone. Okay? It is incomplete in nature. Understood? Good job. From that definition, an adverb clause is a kind of dependent clause. So that means already that it cannot stand alone. This modifies a verb, an adjective, or other adverb. Let's take a look at your example. Let's read. After I apologized, I cleaned up the mess. Think, where is the adverb clause here? So we have the adverb clause after I apologized. This dependent clause or adverb clause modifies the verb what? Where is the action word here? Very good. Cleaned. Notice that the adverb clause can appear in different positions, taking in consideration the second example. Let's read our example number 2. I cleaned up the mess after I apologized. I know you already know where the adverb clause is. Very good. It's on the last, but same group of words. After I apologized. Now, considering those two, in the first one, the adverb clause is in the beginning. Very good. The second example, it was at the end. All right. So your clue, whenever you try to find an adverb clause, it always begins with subordinating conjunction. These subordinating conjunctions are, it could be after, although, as if, as soon as though, because, before, since, that, unless, when, whenever, where, wherever, or while. Take note of them. Focus here, students. So, adjective clauses also answer these questions. It could be how, when, where, and why. Let's take a look at the first sentence. The astronomer spoke as if he disliked the change in Pluto's status. So, First thing, what we'll do again? Very good. We have to locate or find the subordinating conjunction. So we have as if. Until status will be our adverb clause. Great. And this clause modifies the verb spoke. Very good. How about for when? The public was spellbound when Clyde W. Tombaugh discovered Pluto. So starting from when up until Pluto will be your adverb clause. Very good. And it modifies the adjective spellbound. How about for where? I know where Pluto is located. So starting from where up until located, and it modifies the word or the verb know. Very good. How about for why? Because many large objects like Pluto exist in the Kuiper belt, astronomers decided to create a new category for them. Okay, so we have our adverb clause from the word because up until Kuiper belt. And this modifies the verb what? On the following group of words, we have decided. Alright, let's practice what you have learned. Finding adverb clauses. Underline the adverb clause in each sentence. In the first one, after the conference ended, the scientists went home. Alright, where is your subordinating conjunction? That's the first thing you have to find. Very good, after. So we have from after up until ended. Make a line. Next one. This year, the conference ran longer because there were many topics to discuss. So, where is your subordinating conjunction? We have, alright, because up until discuss will be your adverb clause. Great. How about for letter C? I attended the conference since I am an astronomer. Where is your subordinating conjunction? Very good. From since up until astronomer. Great. And I am happy whenever I learn something new about solar system. Where is your subordinating conjunction? Very good. To make up your adverbs, we have whenever up until solar system. Good job, students. So, as continuation, for each sentence in activity 1, write the word that is modified by the adverb clause in the first box. Then on the second box, write the words part of speech, whether verb, adjective, or adverb. So in the first sentence, we have, after the conference ended, the scientists went home. We have our adverb clause, after the conference ended. So where is our word that is being modified? We have when. What part of a speech? Great, it's a verb or an action word. Next one, for letter B. This year, the conference ran longer because there were many topics to discuss. We have our adverb clause, because there were many topics to discuss. It modifies what? Very good, the word longer, which is an adverb, or specifically adverb of time. Next one, we have I attended the conference since I am an astronomer. We have our adverb clause, since I am an astronomer, which modifies the word what? Very good, the word attended, which is also a verb or an action word. And the last one, I am happy whenever I learn something new about solar system. We have our adverb clause, whenever I learn something new about the solar system. This modifies the word what? Very good. The word happy, which is an adjective. Excellent work, grade 7 students. Now, students, number 3 will be your homework. Write few sentences about a recent activity or the thing that you have done a while ago. In your home, of course, we don't have classes. Include 2 adverb clauses. Then use different subordinating conjunction in each of those adverb clauses. Got it? Good job. As a wrap up of our lesson for this day, remember that an adverb clause is a kind of dependent clause that modifies either a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. And it could be distinguished through what? A subordinating conjunction like after, because, since, and so on and so forth. Then, don't forget your homework, number 3, on your literary companion, page 227. Thank you, grade 7, for listening. Bye-bye.